Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to do some grocery shopping in Costco and I'm taking you all along. This is just the drive all the way to Costco. I took the country road and it was a very nice drive. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Thank you for being here. Now I'm just going to take you along. I'm just looking at some plants here and they're so lovely but quite pricey, so I'm gonna have to come back for those, but it's such a nice view. And Costco is so huge, so it's always nice to plan ahead if you have to go there and you want to write a very strict list and try to stick to it, because there's so many lovely things, as you can see, that you might just go off budget. Is our kids suitcases and they're about $32.99 excluding VAT. So when you're shopping in Costco, you want to make sure you look at the prices underneath, because that's the real price. The one at the top is just excluding VAT, so VAT or VAT. And these are just some lovely beetroot, ready juiced, already peeled. Some fruits, lovely selection of fruits. I got a few fruits and veggies, and you can see the view. You can see that it's such a large place with lovely things. These are dehydrated prunes and berries, just lovely things all around. This is golden berry, dried apricots. So this is a nice place to go for your dried fruits, dried blueberries, because they're quite affordable. And these are muffins. They have different flavors of muffins, and the muffins are usually very big. You can usually share one between 4 people because it's so big, but it's very delicious. So I usually get some, but they're not very waistline friendly, I must warn you, but it is a must try whenever you visit Costco. And their fruits are usually nice. I always get my fruits there whenever I go there, because it's such a wise thing to do. Your money stretches further because you buy a large selection of things in bulk, and they last you a whole lot longer than when you just buy it in corner shops or regular grocery stores. So I always like to stock up on those things. And this is bags of buns, so you can just freeze those and just grab in the morning for breakfast. They also have cakes for birthdays. They have so many things. Their meats also are very cost efficient, and the fish as well, and very fresh. So it's always just a treat to get some things from here whenever you can, even if it's just once every month or once every 2 months. It's always such a nice idea. And these are their cooked food sections. So they have all sorts of cooked food. They have seafood, they have pizza, and that pizza is so big. The water as well, the packs of water are so affordable. This is the dairy section, so butter, milk, cream, and so on and so forth. The eggs are also very affordable. These are kitchen towels, toilet rolls. I always buy them here and they last me for so long. Cling film as well, that you want to get them here. So like cling film, Ziplocs, bin bags, this is the place to go. This is not a paid ad, but trust me, if you go here you will want to keep going back. Just a heads up, you need to be a registered member if you want to shop here. So you pay once a year for membership and you renew it, every year. So it's a great idea. And at the end of each year, if you're a trade member, you get some percentage back. your yearly shop. I'm not sure how many percent, but when I find out, I'll put that in my description so you can check. This is ice cream as well. So this pack of 8 cost about £2 ish, which is really good, considering that if I have to buy it in regular grocery stores, it costs me about £4 or £3 ish for a pack of 4. So they have a large selection of books as well, so it's really lovely to get books for kids. They have so many things. This is the wine selection. They have a wide array of wine as well, so it's good if you're having a party to come here and grab things. So some vodka. This is also vodka. I decided to do some recording here because of my viewers who are into alcohol. So yeah, enjoy the view, guys. Also, if you want to buy things for your babies, this is the place to go. I didn't even record every single aisle over here. This is the spice rack. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.